Yes, and welcome to our next iMusic tutorial. My name is Van Allen, VGA developer at vga.smtvs.com, and we've been doing a lot of tutorial on the iMusic Plus content management system and website, artist website. So it's the artist website, and there's a lot of version, a lot of different type of interface, and I have a lot of people following me on Facebook, I noticed, and even on Twitter. So, and even some people spread interest about the software. So most definitely, we have some people following and waiting for the software to release. I'm waiting for the social side to release, and well, I'm playing here around with the artist's new bio page. Okay, well, we just did the bio page, but I'll run through right here. It's like a little timeline, and this timeline is the artist can really be creative on his timeline, post stuff and even design stuff on the timeline. It's like the artist's personal page. It's a little bit like social community, but still the artist's website. And here is the bio. Oh yeah, on the last music script, we had events and images and all that stuff, but that's still going to be there still, as there's a sidebar here that has different things in it right now, but we'll have like connection to the image and other things. So I was just doing the page, and I didn't take out the administration menus. Most definitely when someone come on a page, like a visitor visit the page, they won't see the administration menu. They won't see the menu that belongs to the artist, you know, because that's for the artist to manage his page and that type of stuff. So, hey, yeah. So we're gonna step back over here on the browser. And that was the last iMusic setup we did, like the form to update the page. Okay. Let's go back to the page. So we're just looking at this page right now. We're gonna just copy some of the stuff that's already in the page. Yes, and put it in the page. Well, notice, yeah, it's like a little Facebook things on the avatar. And the avatar do appear right here in the page about the artist's biography. Okay, so let's do a quick update. This is just a follow-up from all the other videos. So if you watch other videos, you will have a better picture. Okay, and yeah, well, this right here, the background. We should talk a little bit more about the background in the picture, and the page. Okay. Well, I'm a creative person, and I have a different background. Right now we have a brick wall, and but the artist will be able to like put any picture on that background. Okay, so that's a good thing. All right, and above here also it's a little thing. Let's go to it. Yeah, we have one image there now, but as you can see what's going on there, that automatically rotates the image. Okay. It's a plan in iMusic that the artist can have an image in there, and then we'll have some ads in there. But that's the way things go if your site is free. If your site is paid, then you'll have all the image there for yourself to rotate advertisement or whatever to your site. Okay. And on the side right here, we did a little update on the short bio. Well, the short bio is here now, but I have planned to remove the short bio because I created a different type of page to like do that. And the short bio will like end up in the community post area. We have a thing we'll call a community post, but it's not really a community post, it's like the member area where there's a lot of, like the member himself comes in and posts information there to connect back other users back to his page. Okay? So let's do the update real fast so we can get out and move on to a little bit more. Okay. Oh, well, Let's just go extend it. We'll make it fast by doing an extension. Alright? And we'll copy. And we'll go back in here. So maybe roll down to the bottom. Yeah. And since we're already there, we'll just go ahead and paste an extra line in there. And while we're at it, we can just go and paste a little bit more to get a little bit of length, right? And remember to reselect my settings when updating this page. This also will end up in a form by itself, so you can do this without updating the page. But for now, it's in the page area. Okay, so I'll select, let's look down here and see what I got. Okay, let's do the composer. A songwriter, composer, musician, and artist. And let's do like the music style. And the music style is like culture reggae then, right? Yeah. And we'll update our page. Fine. Our page is updated. Well, there's no avatar picture here because I'm doing a lot of changing and now the page sees the avatar. And the newer page is updated. See? There you go. Avatar to return. Now, here is the artist page. And we would like to actually update the artist index, right? Right. A nice looking index, don't look really sweet. And it's going to be more better. Okay, so we updated the artist index. Okay. Fine. Let's like try to go over here and said okay. So now you see the artist index is updated. Okay, we show the discography. Nothing is there right now. Okay, but basically, next time in the next tutorial, I will show you all that you can do with your discography. And when you get the discography editor, it's an editor that actually comes with a small mini generator, actually, that lets you choose different types of player to generate and start building your discography. Okay, most of the media are stored on SMTBS database, and then in the public area, when someone comes and clicks on an artist, it will activate the universal player in SMTBS. So it's a global player that's going to be there. A global player that will take all your Flash or take all your HTML5 files and ship it around for you, okay? Because, you know, we don't get technical. We just try to get you the stuff straight. Yeah. So right here in the artist page, there's an email, short for people who want to contact the artist, because every artist who join iMusic gets the iMusic email. And so artists or anyone could send email back and forth within the site to each other, or they can leave a little message in the little message thing. I thought about it more when it came to messaging and like that. I said, well, use the email and then we'll link in the messenger on the real email, so it's a real thing. Not just so much as like a post message that you post to a member and then the member see it, right? Okay. So that was good in the timeline. Well, right now, a status post will be on the timeline on the bottom, so some of that can happen. Or maybe a status post page by itself, and the artist could still do other things with the timeline. I was getting before this tutorial to actually do the timeline, then I decided, okay, I'll leave it for another time. I will finish up a timeline, and then you can see what it's all about. And also, next time you come on the sidebar right here, you will see all the links to the picture, to the artist's picture. That's the gallery, right? His video gallery and his music gallery. Okay? So basically, you guys had seen that. So one more thing I need to show you, okay? And that's the member area, right? So let's get a click over here. All right. So you notice the member area looks like a post, don't it? Yeah. Well, thought about a lot of things too, and as you can see, I have a video here. And if the artist choose to put a video to represent itself, or a song or whatever to represent a little story in the member area, that's in the member area where the artist get to say something that he knows that every member in iMusic will see. And the trick about it, why I did that was this. Okay. When that post is made, or when the artist join iMusic, to be officially in iMusic, the artist have to do this post right here. Alright? For everything to go through, for the artist to receive other things like the players and things hooking up to the site and all other tools. Artists have to have some kind of post there representing the artist, so we know people come around and see it. It'll be displayed other places, like publicly, to the guests. Okay, and yes, right here, we was actually using this page. I was going to do like a status post and everything. And I decided not, and to change it around to make it a member post. So we still got a few little stuff like deleting the post right here. Okay, so that's not going to be there. But a reply is there. If someone want to actually like say something to the artist, they can just click the reply. Reply kind of works like a little link into the messenger again, right? To send a message to the artist. It doesn't comes up. It will not come up on the artist's post, but will be stored in a database of the artist or someone sending a message from the reply, you know, like something like that. Artists can also use this page weekly to remove the posts that he posts there, and weekly can post new posts there. Also, when posting new posts, artists can post a new picture that represents this post, and also the links. The link right here will most definitely, when a lot of times when a lot of artists gonna come and they're gonna make their poster probably really tall or big, so it's a lot of that like really run through, and if the artist wanna read just his post, he should be able to like do that. You know what I mean? Like basically go to his post and just read his post only. Okay, go back. As you can see on the bottom, sure there's a little status posting down there that I actually was implicating. So right here is the member area, and I developed this area so to link all member into one area. Like I said, it looks like a post, but it's not a post. There's a few links here that will be removed, like the delete post. And the reply will still be there. It'll act like it's like you can link the messenger from here and say something to the artist. Okay. The idea why I designed the page this way, because I thought about it and said, well, okay, you know, a lot of Facebook, you have a little thing on the side and you sort of like see the people there and that's it. You have to go to their pages and read about them and all of that to find out about them. So you'll never know about this person that you actually serve to their pages. So I don't want it to happen inside of the iMusic forum. If an artist is knowing, major, or just starting out, they all are in the same place. In iMusic, every artist is an artist. Of course, there are big artists, small artists, artists who call themselves kings and queens, and they want the right to do so because that's what artists there. That's an artist thing, you know what I mean? Artists are very peculiar people. And they are very picky about the things that they really want to, you know, sing. So it's the same way about the site that they want to go to. They want to make sure that site's going to be a site that they can express themselves and do all the things that they need to do. And not that you just give them like one page and say, okay, go ahead and put up your one page and go ahead and post your YouTube this and post this, and then it's just like posting, and they can't really do anything. So iMusic is going to give artists a chance to still be active like a website and still be active like a social community. Something like that. Okay, run down a little bit here. And so we talk about the links that are here. That above here, it's like the little short stuff, bio that's here. Most likely in the pages will be embedded on top, so artists will still have a little thing, a little saying about itself right here. Information. Right here, artists will have this area to express themselves, and above where the little text is right now would actually be like the small or short bio that is here, is be right here. And below that, the artist can post anything he wanted to post. Okay? That's how that works. We'll click over and enter the artist index. Right? So, you see, that's the connection area. That's how all artists is connected in iMusic Plus, by the member area. And every time we take a new member and an artist logs in and he looks at the list, he can see, oh, hey, it's a new member in iMusic. And they can, someone they know, they can say, hey, I'm here, and things like that. We are going to make the thing real efficient, so artists really can still send like private message to a member, like member messaging. Yeah, that's definitely going to be there. And the follower, like I said before, trying to link that to like Twitter following, and still set up that we might have a follower not in our script as well. So that's something that we're looking into. So thank you for viewing iMusic Plus. We do appreciate all the people that come around and watch the video. If you're on YouTube, you can like leave a line or two. Tell me what you think about the software. We'll be pushing the software real soon. I'll explain something about iMusic setups. iMusic is a bunch of different types of software that make iMusic, and there's iMusic software, web software that's in the store that's being sold to individuals who want to actually engage into the same type of site that I'm building here. So I will build a site and set up for iMusic, and I will turn around and I will sell the script in similar form. Okay? So stay tuned for the next video. Okay? So, okay, stay tuned for the next video. Pick up on the tutorial, and we'll be right here bringing you more new information about iMusic Plus. Okay, a nice little autobiography page, a nice avatar picture, right? So everything is cool. So thanks again for viewing iMusic tutorial. Hey, iMusic just around the corner. And every time you see me, I work on it. So now, we have just a few things to work on iMusic. And like I said, the messenger and the following. Okay, those things right there, that's really what's on the menu. Okay, and I'm finished going to do the content management of the script itself, so when the artist comes in, the database can populate the page for him, right? That type of way. Okay, so bless up from Jamaica, from VG Development, from Vonnegut Allen.